Libraries build communities. Libraries offer services to everyone in the community, from toddlers to students, to parents, to seniors. They offer programming, homework help. They offer services for newcomers. It's not just reading books. In many cases, especially in small towns, people don't have internet access, or the access is very slow. They go to their library to use the materials. And it's really, I think, a call for people to share their stories with their MLA and with the Premier. And that's what we call on citizens to do, is they know what libraries do, but maybe other people do not know. We've drafted an impact letter that's posted on our website that explains what these cuts mean. And it's a chance for people to tell their story. One story is one of our board members was a graduate student, and she had to use her local library to do coursework. She couldn't do it at home. If there wasn't a library for her to do that, she couldn't have done the coursework.
You're encouraging people to reach out to their MLAs and let them know the impact that this is having. Do you not think that the provincial government recognizes what these cuts mean to the people of this province?
I'm not sure they do, and this is why it's an opportunity for people to share their personal stories. Libraries have changed a lot in the last 15, 20 years with the growth of the internet and the fact that libraries partner with other community associations. In some cases, libraries also serve as friendship centers, especially in the north.
What are the conversations your board is having around what to do based on the fiscal situation you're now facing?
Well, the timing's good. We're having a regularly scheduled board meeting today. We're actually going to discuss this afternoon about taking next steps and strategizing. We have been in contact with other Saskatchewan Library Associations. There are others. We're the largest in terms of membership. We encourage people, again, to contact their MLA. We will continue to draft impact statements and letters as we learn more about what libraries are actually going to do, how they're going to react. It's still early days. We're not sure how libraries will react to this, but we will help channel that information to the public. They can look at our website. There are also a lot of social media grassroots efforts going on. Encourage people to, if they're on Facebook or Twitter, they can follow us and we will retweet and share those other stories as well. A lot of people are sharing their stories online. But again, other people, if they don't have access to the internet, come to the library, do that, and they can also, again, write. There are at least 2 different petitions going on right now that those are available through social media library support groups.
How devastating could this be if the funding model doesn't change from the provincial government? Is there a chance that libraries will not survive?
Libraries will survive, obviously. Public libraries especially are entities that are part of a democratic system. They have evolved to changes over decades. Saskatchewan has an ingenious model in Canada of having one library card where a person can borrow an item from anywhere in the province, from any library, using their one card, and it's shipped to their branch that they want to pick it up. Libraries will survive. It's going to be a challenge in terms of maybe the number of physical library buildings, and those could kill communities. I maintain that if you cut libraries, you can devastate a community. And if you want an engaged citizenry, if you want a growing economy, libraries have a huge impact on that.
Thanks for your time today, Michael.
Thank you.